This is the wig. You see, I match everything, match. Okay. The wig is from NYC Express. Okay, you see. Oh my goodness, it's so long.
Come follow me, tell better come follow me.
Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Johnny K. I can't talk because I'm feeling this hair so much. I'm feeling like I can. I'm with the family. This hair is the bomb. Is the bomb. Not got to be bomb. Are you feeling me? This hair is from nycexpress.com. I will leave everything in the description down below. So yeah, that is all. Don't forget to subscribe, give me a big thumbs up, comment and share. And yeah, today I don't have my contact lens. I'm going to wear that now. Okay. If you love this here, if you want I do more reviews or more wigs reviews, give this video a big thumbs up, comment down below. Okay, tell me your honest opinion about this wig, but I think you will love it too. And yeah, subscribe, so I will come here to show you more videos, more reviews, and more. And don't forget to click the bell so you will notified when I upload new video. How I can forget these natural contact lenses, like silicone contact lenses, like the discount code JK10. I will leave it here. This new weekly edition is cost $20, but with my discount code JK10 you will have it for $18. Boop, boop, boop. This is the wig. You see, I match everything. Okay. saying though. So I'm meant to be glad. God don't bless me. That's why I said, woo! Yes! Woo!
For the gear them, for the gear them, for the gear them. Yo boy, move for the gear them. Bend your back for the gear them. Break your waist for the gear them. Do your thing for the gear them. For the gear them. It's another one for the gear them. Wind your waist for the gear them. Make it clap for the gear.